University, some of the best years of a young adult's life. It is filled with personal growth, learning, and self-actualization. University life is, however, filled with challenges. One of the first challenges one might encounter in entering this journey is finding an apartment to rent. One would typically have to drive around the campus, gather numbers posted on apartment buildings, call these numbers to get further information, then arrange to visit the apartment before one could sign a rental agreement. This process typically takes multiple weeks. We have a solution to this problem. Enter WebPartments, a one-stop web app that makes the entire process of finding and renting an apartment quick and hassle-free.
All current solutions that exist on the market do not address the needs of university students, since it is a niche. Our system addresses the needs of university students, persons seeking to rent their properties to university students, and advertisers.
All users should be able to search for individual rooms or for rooms in a particular building using specific natural language search queries. They can also browse a list of the rooms and buildings that exist on the system. Viewing detailed information concerning rooms and buildings, including user reviews, should also be possible. Creating, removing, and editing an account, as well as logging in and out of that account, submitting bug reports and feedback can be done by all users. Students should be able to create, edit, and remove their reviews, as well as receive notifications on interested rooms or buildings. Lessors should be able to create, edit, and remove rooms and buildings, as well as upgrade to a premium plan to remove ads and to rank their listings. Advertisers should be able to create, modify, and remove their advertisements.
The system is designed to be web-based. It will utilize the following technologies: an Express web server running Node.js, a NoSQL Mongo database, the Angular front-end framework for the user interface, and the Google Analytics will provide web analytics for the system and for the advertisers. The virtual servers will be provided by DigitalOcean. We will also utilize DigitalOcean's load balancers to handle multiple server instances as the system is horizontally scaled in the future. The web app will be designed as a single-page application. It will consist of a landing page which displays ordered listings of rooms and buildings. It will also prominently feature a search bar. Students who create accounts will be able to utilize a dashboard where they may receive notifications and see details of listings they have subscribed to. Lessors who create accounts will have access to a dashboard to create, manage, and delete their buildings and rooms. Advertisers who create accounts will have access to a dashboard to create, manage, and delete their advertisement.
The proposed system was tested by interviewing 50 random students who live in the vicinity of the University of the West Indies, St. Augustine, and by analyzing their responses. We found that 64% of interviewees agreed that a system like WebPartments would have highly simplified the process of finding a room to rent. 92% of all persons indicated interest in using such a system to find their next apartment, if they would be moving in the future. The actual system will utilize a test-first development strategy, with each unit of code being tested using a unit testing framework. With the addition of each component, all other system components will be tested to ensure that the integration was successful and the addition did not cause any other component to break.
Many potential risks were discovered, and as such, strategies were developed to mitigate these risks. Requirements change. There may be a large number of changes to the requirements that were not identified due to the poor execution of the requirements elicitation processes.
This risk can be avoided by minimization. The requirements should be fully thought out and changes should be made before the development process.
The product fails to generate sufficient profit to support itself. After the system has been released, it may fail to attract enough users to the platform to generate revenue from said users.
This risk can be mitigated by marketing and advertising the product continuously to lessors and to advertisers in order to show the benefits of using the system.
The time required to develop the software is underestimated. Planning through the development stages of the project may contain false estimations when problems and requirements are not clearly defined.
This risk can be avoided by properly defining the scope of the problems, by decomposing the model of the system, and by assigning sufficient time estimates for each component of the project.
Unrealistic budgets. If the budget has been overestimated or underestimated, this can lead to wastage or a project devastatingly short of resources.
This risk can be avoided by utilizing budgets that are designed by a reliable management and analysis team. This will be outsourced.
Performance and scalability. Improper design and planning of the system architecture may lead to the deployment of a system that may not scale to cater the increased user load.
This risk can be avoided by ensuring that load testing is a main aspect of the system testing. We will also utilize a scalable cloud-based architecture for the system. This will ensure continuous uptime and reliability. The costing model of the proposed system is built around earning revenue from premium membership subscriptions, from advertisements, and from donations. General users may use the system for free. Advertisers pay based on the duration of an advertisement, the frequency with which it is displayed, and the type of advertisement that they are distributing. Donations may be made by the general public. Lessors seeking to upgrade their membership must pay a monthly subscription fee of $200 TT. The development cost of the system was found to be based on the COCOMO model and by individually pricing the costs of all individual component technologies.